I have a confession to make, guys. I'm an artist that barely draws. In fact, I would go weeks without drawing sometimes, and this year was supposed to be the year where I lock in and really improve my drawing styles, like learning how to use watercolors, new mediums, pencil color, marker, but it has not been going as planned. So in this video, we are rectifying that. So I've been drawing for as long as I can remember, but 3 years ago I decided to get a bit more serious into art and learn as much as I can. The first step was figuring out the style that I like and then learn from artists that use similar style. I found Akin to be the style that I connect more with, and it also fits my personality, so the part of finding the artist with that style of drawing was actually the easy bit. I just went to TikTok, typed Akin drawing style and voila, but that's not what I did. I just randomly scroll on TikTok like a normal person would, and the bot is my FYP. I can swear these social media apps are reading minds, bro. While starting out, the artist that I used as reference was Thomas Lito, Josh Art on YouTube, Guest Cap, Eliza Arts, CS Lament, I'm sorry I'm butchering this name, bro, I'll leave it on the screen, and some others that I can't remember off the top of my head, but they've really made an indirect impact in my art journey. And if only I could just be a good student and spend more time drawing, I would have been better than my current state today. On God. Finding the time to draw sometimes can be difficult because currently art isn't paying the bill for me, so I have to actually work, and whenever I'm free to draw, I'm either stressed, tired, or I just want to take some time off to watch some movies or play some games or whatever. So one of the hacks that I found is multitasking. I realized I can just draw and watch some movies at the same time, which helps me to find time to draw and also watch the movies on my playlist. I'm a genius, right? Another thing that has helped me to stay disciplined as an artist is getting a small and comfy sketchbook that allows me to be experimental and also gives me the creative freedom while drawing. One of the issues I go through as an artist is the fear of getting it wrong or feeling too overwhelmed to start a new drawing and mess up my page. So having this small sketchbook has been a game changer for me. I can make mistakes on it, try out new drawing styles, and plus I can carry it around with me without it being too obvious. Sometimes staying disciplined as an artist isn't about pushing yourself harder, but about staying inspired. Whenever I start to feel unmotivated or stuck, I just watch other artists create, not to compare myself, but to remind myself why I love this in the first place. There's something about seeing someone else enjoy the process. It kind of recharges you, and you start thinking, I want to create again. And you also start missing the creative process. It's not about copying anyone, it's just about feeling connected, because seeing other people chase their creativity reminds you that you are not alone. We are all just trying to get better at what we love doing. So try and surround yourself with creative content instead of just blindly consuming every content. And whenever you're feeling unmotivated, you can always get your spark back by watching other artist videos. The most frequently question I get asked is the secret to getting better at drawing, and it is none other than the obvious, draw regularly. Now, I'm not saying draw every single day, because to be honest, even I don't do that. But I try to stay consistent enough that I don't lose the touch with the process. The more you draw, the more your hand and your eyes start to sync. You begin to understand the shapes, the flows, and confidence builds naturally. It's like exercising a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger you get. So even if it's just a small do a rough sketch or a 5 minute warm up, it all counts. What matters is that you keep showing up for your art, even in the smallest ways. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. I hope you enjoyed this, and I also hope you get back to join. If there's any suggestion you have for me, anything you want to say, you can leave it down in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, guys, enjoy the review.